The baby is mine?
I wonder if
But
it
you?
smell like me.
Wow.
Man, that smell bad. Jeez, what is
Wait.
that? Oh,
Oh,
what
hey.
Are we
You're
on? Are we
You're on the
on?
mic.
You're on the mic.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Jonathan Moose.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is 10 of 10 Move. Mike Smith and
This is the great salesman from 242.
great salesman from 242. We are glad to be in your company today because we got a news today. Yesterday, 2 died.
All I do is sell
Dog
products.
rolled over, killed 2 fleas, and it was a big accident on Bumper Street Lane.
I love
And
my
other
products.
news, we got some news. We got some Nikes here that we're selling for little of nothing, Phil.
Yeah.
Yeah, Phil, I told you that woman, she don't love you. You need to stop talking to that woman. Sorry for that. Yes, we got some Nike shoes here. It's called Bottom Out. It's really expensive. Phil, what do you think about it?
Honestly, it looked good, but where's the blade? Where's the...
I don't know what is the look like, but I think it can fit my foot, Phil. I think it can fit my foot. Phil, what you think, Phil? You think this can fit?
I think they're too small.
No, Phil, don't tell me. I'm getting a discount here, man. You trying to cut me off my discount. I tell you this can fit my foot. Just give me a minute, Phil.
Hold on. I think you need the blade. Hold on. Let me see if the blade can fit.
It fit. Anything is free, I will take it. I'll take 2 pairs of these. It fits excellent. Phil, what do you think? Let me try this working.
How much does it cost?
It's cost $135, Phil, and I think we got. Oh my God, Phil, look.
The 2014.
The 2014 is now out on sale.
Wow.
Only $25
You only got them black and red.
down. And then you have a balance of 10 weeks to pay $100 a week. Ain't
Wow.
that a deal? Phil, what do you think, Phil?
And just in case, they got...
Listen at these boots got turbo at the back in case you got to run from the wife.
In case
I
you
got
didn't
your
know.
back, guys. In case you have to run from the wife, you just kick the little turbo. Phil, there's the turbo button there.
Wow.
And you just press it, and you just on your way like this.
Supersonic.
Supersonic. So, Phil, how much you gonna get for your kids? Because I understand you. I understand you got a white kid lately. Congratulations.
Well, I got 2. I only
2
buy
white
one.
kids. Now, I
Just in
don't
case.
understand, Phil.
Don't work.
One of the white kids got curly hair. You have no kind of curly
got
hair.
those too.
You have no kind of curly hair. I don't know where is the white. Who is the white girl, Phil?
I don't even know it's the kid.
Well, folks, that's what happened when you sleep around in the sand. Well, with the news today, we will be back in a little while. Continue. Phil Smith.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. he's kind of a little shocked there. But Phil Smith and I'm sorry, we'll be back in 2 minutes. Thank you very much. Press the button. Press the button. Press the button.